Question two, it shows a cylinder penetrated by a square prism. So it asks to draw the views and the complete elevation with the interpenetration curve and an end view, okay, the direction of arrow is. So now we're going to start with the cylinder. The cylinder is it has a diameter of 88. So type in 88. Then zoom. You can use the F3, your F3 key on your keyboard to zoom. So we're going to extrude by 100. Press the E on your keyboard, select the face, type in 100, then yes, rising symmetric. Then on your surface mode, then zoom out. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, so now we're going to create another plane at the center again, just like what we did earlier. So this time around, we're having it on this side, a line of length 64 with um, an angle of 30 degrees from this line here. That's going to be 150 degrees from the other end. So 150 degrees. Yes, so this is correct. So now we're going to click on finish. So now come to this end, click on work plane. Okay, then click on that point back and click on this and click on this. So now I want to draw a square prism, and the square prism is 48 by 48. What do? Go to rectangle 2 point center, draw your 48. So draw your 48, type in 48, tab 48, 48 tab 48, press enter. Okay, so having done that, uh, select the whole square I have drawn, then click on rotate, then click on under center point, click on select, then come and select the center of that square. Okay, let me do that again. Select the center of the square. Okay, the reason why it's not selecting is I selected this dimension instead of just the square. So let's do that again. So now click on rotate, click on select. Yes, now it's going to work now. Okay, so now let's adjust it to make it have this orientation. Yes, this is what we need. So now click on, just left click on the screen and it's going to have this. So just like we did, press your E. Press your E to, it's not going to extrude because your surface mode is on, so turn it off. Then go back to that profile. Then we're extruding backwards by 80 millimeters. Yeah. So extruding backward by 80 millimeters, then we'll now turn on the surface mode back so they'll have the same surface. So click on OK. So let's see if our top view is giving us what we have in the question. No. So we have to rotate it. So come to this edge, click on this edge here. Now click on top. Exactly. We're going to be having what is in the question. So click on home, right click, set this current view as home, then fit to view. So now click on front. Now I want to trim away the inner excess. So now I clicked on this cylinder, then now I'm clicking on the excess inside. Then I'll click on apply. Okay, let me show you why it's going to trim it out. Look at the excess inside is what is showing purple, and that is what is going to be trimmed away. Click on apply. So now I want to trim this other part. So just tilt at an angle. Click on trim. Click on this face and click on that inner part. So it's showing the purple and click on apply to trim it. So here we go. Now let's remove the sketch again. Visibility. Select all. Click on ticking. Click on center. Click on OK. Now click on ticking again. Click on this and click on center. If you don't click on center, you're going to be having space, a little space in between the two surfaces. So now click on OK. Now you can see there's no space. There can never be space, but we click on center for the two profiles. Now in this plane, let's move this plane. Visibility. So now let's go to home. So now we can have our top view as this. I can have every other views. So let's click on home and save this. This is question 2. So question two saved. Now let's create the drawing document, which is the annotated document of iso.idw. Create. So now the let's import what we have there. So now what do I want to use as my front view? Yes, I think this no. Yeah, this is going to be the front view. So let's project the side view in the direction of arrow. Did they give us okay? The direction of arrow S is the other direction. So let's put this here. Arrow S is facing this direction. So yes, this is this. So I'm placing this beside it. Then the plan is going to be under it here. So now this guy is going to be too big, right? So let's reduce the scale. Let's reduce the scale. 1:2. You can also use 5:6. Let's use 5:6. Let's see. Yes, this is perfect. So 5:6, hidden lines. Then click OK. Click OK. So this is the answer. Let's import the home, the home view, then place it here. So you can use this one as 1:1 because it can contain this space, as you can see. Then select this, yeah, shaded. So this is the answer. Let's save. That's all.